Welcome, fellow brethren. You're in for a treat of trickiness. Oh, fun to be had. Okay, I got a resistor that I put on here because the old one was open. It's the size of that right there. That is it. Yeah, that guy. That guy. Teeny tiny, by far the smallest thing that I've just about ever worked on, besides removing resistors. So I dug through, I found one right away. I should have known. I found it was like the third one I looked at in a pile of them, about the size of a tablespoonful, in a little dish I got. Well, put it on, everything's great, get it done, struggle a little bit. The frickin' thing it read wrong. It was just toasted. It was 5 mega ohms. I need 51K. Well, I thought I misread it or something, so I check and nope, it's just 51K. I got one with the exact same numbers on it. It reads 51.1K ohms. 51,100 ohms. So, that one's got to come off, and the one that I just showed you's got to go on. I got it. Hopefully ready for heat. I'm going to use the TS100 here quick, and then I'm going to hit it with some serious, probably get my heat ready and rolling here. And swish me luck, let's just put it that way. This is some serious tediousness. I got my little cheapo soldering microscope on it, just for the light for right now. And if I need it for reference, I can use it. So here we go to get the old one off. And wow, it's going to be fun. Oh, it came right off. No way. I thought that would have been a lot more of a workout than that. 2115. Guarantee it's the same one I took off. Now, oh, I want to retin them pads. Put some fresh flux down. Yeah, a little bit of tediousness here. That is foi shui. Doing my old method of put the solder on the stick first, and then come in. I think that makes that tough is there's a big, you can just about see it, a big capacitor right there. Man, it's right up against it, right in the way, and it's on this side, the side I'm working from. So, okay, here's this one. Got to get this up and in there. Hope you guys can see it alright. Nice, dropped it. The suction doesn't work on something that small. I just goobed some lube on it. Goop some more lube in there. And I can't see myself. I'm going to try the air first. I'll get the air going. Nice and warm for me while I get this into position. and hopefully then after that my little scooter here will be ready to roll. Okay, that's close. I just want to get some weight on it on this side because the short cord of the hot air is coming in on that side. Just get it close. Once it heats up, the surface tension will straighten it up. It's tough because it's like two balls that it's trying to lay on. Two balls of solder. Okay. If it's stuck, that might have it. Come back in with some solder on a stick. Order some up. Just to touch up that backside. Boy, this hand is bad. This side looks good, but I'll just touch it real quick. Then I'll hit it with the continuity tester or multimeter, make sure I got it. Definitely don't have that side. Heat failed me. I don't know if it's that. I don't know. I don't get it. Never had problems like that before. Give me a little more flux and I'll hit that other side and I'll be happy with that. Didn't actually see it move like you're supposed to with the hot air, so I don't know what the deal was with that. Oh, I want to clean my rod. that should be it. Whether that's going to work, that's another question yet to be answered. Let me get this thing all tinned up and cooled down. Always burns off the solder I put on it super fast, and then I hate it just sitting there with none. Damn this frickin' thing. Okay, I got this set up. I'll check, make sure I got going on what I'm supposed to. Should be zeroed. Okay, now to the other side. 49K, 0.5, sweet, and to here. Yes, that is that. And unclick my ESD suppression. That's ran over here to my dim bulb tester. And get everything unwrapped, get the Captain tape off. Should be about good to go then. Everything else seemed to test pretty good. You never know. Always something. Always something. I always get something else in the way, in the mix. Never fails. Might as well keep this right by. I'll be needing it in about 2 minutes probably again. But, oh, it would be sweet if I get this. Save this in case I gotta go back in. Change anything else. How's the board look? Good, except for the bird crap that is all over the component I was messing with. I call it bird crap instead of soldering. I bird crap on it. Give it a little squirt. That is my fancy container for my rubbing alcohol. IPA, isopropyl alcohol. Love an IPA. That all cleaned up. Boy, it should take that marker. Oh, there it goes. Oh man, I pray that that works. That would be fantastic. That's all I've been thinking is, oh man, I can't wait to do that SMD work, man. That looks like fun to do. That'd be great. Yeah, it would be fun, but you're stressing a little bit because you want to get it right, because you want to get it running, and it takes the fun out of it, the stress. Fun stress, I guess you could call it. Get this ready to roll. Got that hooked up. That's my button for my relay. Oh, I don't want to put them on yet. The covers. Get this hooked up. And I guess that's the way they want it. It's cooked right over like that. Okay. Switch is on. Do I have a red light? No red light. Nothing. Huh. Buttons are working. What happened to my light? Got the light on the switch. It ain't on. Don't know why. Don't know what its deal is. Unless that popped somehow. What is here? That's the plug-in. Now I'll put the charger on it. Here, where's the plug-in? Right here. Get charging to see what it... I think the battery's pretty pretty good. Getting there at least, getting up there. $170 milliamps, 250 milliamps. Now with that plugged in, these don't work. No light still. That's definitely plugged in. I have to take some measurements here across the board, see what's going on. Don't want to bore you with that. Yeah, quite a few things going on here. The relays are working actually. I can show you that. I hit the button, there I'm on the juice. I'm on diode mode, so it'll read a little different than probably most things. I love diode mode. There's nothing open. I'll bump it. Right here's so we know that one's working. Here's the other pin that's connected. That one's short, which is good. It should be connected. Now, there's two relays that run this way, long ways. So these two should be connected. Or do I have to hit it to... Why is that not connected now? Thought it was. Bump, bump. Yeah. I don't know what that one's deal is. Damn that thing. But anyways, yeah, them are working. I actually got some diode readings that are odd. This one here, both ways, is 0.152. This one here, same thing, 0.152 both ways, even if I flip it around. And this one here is open both ways. Not charging or anything, this big honker here. And I did look it up. It is for sure a diode. Probably says on the other side, yeah, D4 or something. That would have made it a little easier. This diode reads good. I checked the transistors earlier. It's all a bunch of testing malarkey right now, but yes, that will make you mental after a while. But quick tip of the day I got for you. Real nuzzler this one is. You guys are going to love it. It's unbelievable. Basically 12 volt battery, or yeah, 12 volt, 9 volt. Take a 9 volt battery and you can test most, now I do say most, relays. Just hook it on there. Holding it up so you can hear it, hopefully. Oh yeah, fumble. Darn it. Try it again. Yep, you hear it bang bang. Let me get a couple of them out here so you guys here, right here. Tested. And different size. Point. Hope you can hear it. That one's a little weak, but test. I could put something across the other end. I'll have to think of something quick. I don't want to run too long here. But you can hear it. Come on. Doink, 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 doink. They go doink, 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 doink. And you know you got it. Usually it's the pins that are in line. This one is going to be normally closed and on one side, normally open on the other. Going a long ways. The hell? Nothing at all. There it goes. Hear it? Goink, goink, goink. That's the noise they make when they're closed. So, if you can't hear it, then this is going to be the worst video ever. I hope you can hear it. Here's a clonker. That one actually sounds like odd. That or it's a big spring in there or something that's banking. Oh, my thing's getting tweaked. That ain't helping the cause. It's just a dumb spring thing I put in there. It lets me do these easier. This noise that one's making, this one, just to show you quick that it can be done. And I'll read you some of the numbers off of these. There's some big numbers. That's what surprised me the most. I'll give you the numbers off this one if I can read them. And the blue one was the weak one. Let's see. Maybe you guys can even read it. Shit, you guys could probably read it better than I can. I can't see the damn thing with the glare. Damn it. I see 17 amp, 277 vac. On this side, 17 amp, 250 volt. 20 amp, 125 volts AC. So that's the reading on that one. Give you another rating, this little white one. Come on, get out of there. Little white guy. Nothing racist or nothing, it's just a white capacitor. Looks like 12 volt, 3 amp, 250 VAC, 3 amp, 250 volt D. That's AC also. Has the AC squabble. Alright, one more, and then one more. Oh, we'll do this one. This one's a little bit odd. Come here, you. This guy. Contact 16A 350 vac. Underneath that, 16A 350 vac. Up top, 12 volt DC. And last one, 14 volt DC. 14 volt DC, 15 amp, 30 volt DC, 277 vac. Yep, that's her. So that's just some relays. That's how you test them quick. I appreciate you guys for giving me your time. Hope you enjoyed or learned something or that, or watched me struggle and got some entertainment out of it. Doesn't matter to me as long as you enjoy it. I plan on doing this for a while. I enjoy it, and I don't have many other options. So thanks so much, guys. Feel like it, give me a thumbs up or whatever, and have yourself a great day. Wish you guys all the best. Thanks so much again.